This is News 10 at 6.
If you're like most people, you probably don't know your license plate number. Think about it. But chances are your local police department does.
There's new technology in cop cars called automatic license plate readers. Police say they help fight crime, but drivers say it's an invasion of privacy.
News 10 Shannon Cantner got to the bottom of it for us today. Shannon, how long have our local departments had these?
Well, Meridian Township was the first to get it in the area through a grant, Jason, back in 2009. They helped 4 other agencies in the area get the devices as well. The data collection is more widespread that way, which has police happy and people pretty concerned.
It's an extra tool in the toolbox, so to speak, for us.
But this tool doesn't require officers to lift a finger.
It runs by itself, and basically what it does is it takes a picture of the license plate and it checks for stolen plates.
The automatic license plate readers record the data as officers drive, up to thousands of plates seen in a day, and it's entered into the National Crime Information Computer to compare against the hot list of stolen vehicles or outstanding warrants and other crimes.
As we're driving through parking lots, it can read plates parked in driveways as we drive by. It's much easier, it's much quicker, and it stores the data a lot more easily than the old-fashioned way.
But some drivers might prefer the old way.
I think it's an invasion of privacy.
I think it's ridiculous. I don't think it's fair.
This is just one of 3 cameras mounted all around the vehicle that can read your license plate no matter which direction you're coming from. So experts tell me they understand why some people might feel a little uncomfortable about all this.
I have some concerns about the amount of data that is being generated, and where are they going to store it? How are they going to use it?
Police are still answering those questions themselves. Several agencies don't have strict guidelines on how much or how long data is stored. The Lansing Police Department has the automatic readers, but only in a test phase for now.
We won't release them or have our officers use them until we have policy or procedure in place with the department.
But the bigger question remains.
When do we cross the line? When is the technology and the various devices and means for investigating cross the line? Hard to say.
The East Lansing Police Department and MSU Police Department also use the devices. Lansing PD told me they expect to get 3 more of them and have them on the road by September after their officers are trained, of course.
Professor Corbett, just to take on that a little bit more, he talked a little bit about if this crosses the line, but more importantly, are they working? Are police seeing results with the information they've gathered?
Well, that's a good question. The Meridian Township Police told me absolutely. They've successfully caught criminals because of this technology, and they're hoping to get all the agencies together to form a standard set of policies. The American Civil Liberties Union does have recommendations they'll take into consideration when they have that meeting and try to set those policies. I'll include a link to that on my story on the website soon, Jason.
Oh, we'll look forward to that. And as soon as they get all that, and maybe it's a little more out in the open, maybe all the concerned parties might be a little bit more at ease. We'll see how it shakes out.
Yeah, we'll see.
Thanks, Shannon.